To connect your Shokz OpenDots Air to two devices is fairly simple. Now, currently it's connected to my Android phone, but if I wish to connect it to another phone, say for example an iPhone, this is what I need to do. Now, the first thing you're going to do is simply start by ensuring that you have enabled multipoint pairing in the Shokz app. So go ahead and open up the Shokz app, and then from here, you're going to go ahead and select multipoint pairing and confirm that it is enabled. Now, once you've confirmed that it is all enabled, let's just delete previous pairings. Once you've confirmed that it is enabled, now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select connect to second device. Then from here, you're going to start by putting your Shokz OpenDots Air into pairing mode. So go ahead and do so. And once it's in pairing mode, you're then going to go ahead and open up the settings app on your secondary device and navigate to your Bluetooth settings. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and select your Shokz OpenDots Air. And then once they've been successfully connected, in the original device, you should be able to see that you have two devices simultaneously connected. This is the maximum amount of devices, but you can be able to easily switch between the both of them. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.